Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Campfire Fence and grow a garden summer camp event update part 4. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Campfire fence looks like. I've already gotten this fence skin from the event guys. And if you want to get the Campfire Fence, you need to participate in this new event from Grow a Garden Summer Camp Event Update Part 4. This one, guys, Campfire Quest. You need to talk to this NPC or you can click on this menu to view the quest. And I've already completed the quest and I got Campfire Fence. And wait, let me show you the reward odds. Oops. Okay. And these are the reward odds guys, and from this reward odds you will be able to claim the Campfire Fence. Oh, it's a mythical item guys. And yeah, if you want to get the Campfire Fence, just participate in this Campfire Quest and then you will have chance to get the Campfire Fence. Okay guys, and that's all about the Campfire Fence in Grow a Garden Summer Camp Event Update Part 4. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!